Hey you guys, today's video, I'm looking a mess. My name is Micaylah, and this is me. Straight out of bed. I only do my eyebrows, like, I plucked them. They was bushy. They was real bushy. Okay, so today, this giveaway, my nose. This giveaway is supposed to be my 1K subscribers giveaway, but something just told me that I need to give back to you guys as soon as possible. So I'm about to sneeze. Basically, I needed to give you guys back something because I really appreciate you guys' support. I appreciate everything you say to me. Like, I barely ever get any hate. Yeah, I basically want to give back to you guys. And if you're an OG subscriber, you know, I've been on YouTube for about 2 years now. You're an OG subscriber, go ahead and just leave a comment down below and you're done, you're entered. But if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe and leave a comment down below. And the comment you guys have to leave down below is one thing you love about yourself, because I really want to help you guys spread self-love, and I really want to know what you guys really love about yourself. One thing I love about myself is my hair, and honestly, I'm obsessed with my skin tone. I love my skin tone. It used to be very, very dark, but I love my skin tone. And I just love that I'm always wanting to give back to people. AKA this giveaway. And I love that I just don't even have to wear makeup all the time. Like, I'll go out of the house looking like this. Like, I don't be caring. Judge me. At least I'm comfortable in my own skin. This box is not in the giveaway. This was a gift from my coworkers. But isn't it cute? Like, they did that, and it has like a little lipstick on the top. But in this box is a whole bunch of stuff. I'm not going to show you everything because I kind of wanted to be a subscriber. I want to be a surprise for the winner, kind of. So I'm just going to like give you like a sneak peek of what's in here. That is what is in the box. I'm trying not to spill it. There's a whole bunch of stuff, and probably will be a little bit more. We have some Benefit, we have some CoverGirl, we have some Real Techniques, we have some Buxom, we have a little bit of everything. So yeah, there's a knack. So yeah, basically that is it. And just to be clear, the rules are you have to be subscribed to my channel, which I will check, and you have to tell me one thing you love about yourself down below. And for a bonus entry, I always do bonus entries to make you guys like be able to have a better chance of winning. The bonus entry is just follow me on Instagram and let me know when you comment what you love about yourself that you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is MakeupByMicaylah, and I will list it on the screen and down below. It's always listed down below, actually. So yeah, good luck to you guys, and I appreciate everything that you guys do for me, and I hope to see you in my next video.